In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use product blocks on Squarespace. This fantastic feature allows you to display items from your store page on other pages or posts. It's a great tool if you're looking to promote your products creatively or if you want to craft a unique layout for your store page. Plus, the convenience can't be overstated because any changes you make to the product on the original store page will automatically update across all the product blocks. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to the section of your Squarespace site where you want to add your product block. Once you're there, hover over the area where you'd like the block to appear. You'll notice an option that says Add Block in the top left corner. Go ahead and click on that. From the list of options that appear, select Product. This action will open up the possibility for you to add an individual product to this particular page. Now that you've chosen to add a product block, you'll be able to see a new set of options under the Content tab. Here, you can search for any product that you've already listed on your store page. Simply start typing the name of the product you're interested in, and it should appear in the search results. Once you've found your desired product, select it. After adding your product, you can further enhance its appearance and details. You have the flexibility to edit various elements within the block. For example, you can adjust the product's description, price, or even overlay text to better suit the context of the page you're placing it on. This level of customization helps ensure the product block fits seamlessly into the design of your page. Now, let's move on to the design section. This is where you can really make the product block your own. One of the design options allows you to place the product within a shape frame, lending dimension and interest. You can also adjust the image ratio, giving you control over how your product image is presented, whether it's in a square, vertical, or horizontal format. Further refinements are possible with the focal point, where you determine the main interest of the image, ensuring that what's important remains in focus. Lastly, alignment options will help you decide how the entire block should align on your page, whether it's left, center, or right. And with that, you've successfully added a product block to your Squarespace page. This simple yet powerful tool not only amplifies the visibility of your products, but also enhances user engagement by offering a visually appealing and consistent shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today in exploring this versatile feature, and I look forward to seeing all the creative ways you'll employ product blocks on your Squarespace site.